Okay, this is homework for Thursday, February 25th. And yes, even though you didn't go to math today, you still have homework. And I hope you guys enjoyed the field trip. So, you had to do number 5 and 6 on page 58. Number 5 is talking about tennis. And at round 1 of tennis, there were 64 players. And after each round, the players were cut in half. So in round 2 there were 32 players, in round 3 there were 16 players. So we're talking about variables, we're talking about rounds and players. So which relates or is determined by the other or dependent on the other. The number of players left depends on the round you're in. So that makes players left is dependent and round is independent. And then is this a linear function? And give some proof. So I'm going to set up a table. It says at round 1 there were 64 players. Round 2 there were 32 players. And round 3 there were 16 players. And it told me these are being cut in half. So I know that's going down by 32 and that's going down by 16. So that shows me right away this is not a linear function because there is not a constant rate. No, because there is no constant rate. Okay, number 6. A rock is dropped from a cliff that is 200 feet above the ground. The table below represents the height of the rock with respect in time. What is the dependent variable? So they give us a table which makes that pretty easy because the dependent is always the y and the independent is always the x. So dependent is height. The height is determined by the time. And is this linear? So let's put in some carets. From 200 to 185, that's going down 16. From 184 to 136 is going down 48. And from 136 to 56 is going down 80. So right away I see there is no constant rate, which means no, this is not a linear function, because there is no constant rate. Okay, that is tonight's homework. See you guys tomorrow.